I know. Only one thing can make you jump like a cricket.
Wosiwosi right now. We went to Nigeria, we not get this put in the dig rice. You went the UK, you don't use them.
Congratulations.
They're having discounts on their website right now. If you buy from there, they are going to give you 2% discount. If you now spend more than £150, check it, they are going to give you extra 5% discount. Once you use Benyomo, that's a referral code.
Can't you just take it inside and unbox it, please? Please, my wife, take it inside and unbox. I think it's better. Sure. Okay, please. I'm going to help you. We'll take it inside. You can't continue to be disgracing me. Indomie, I understand. Okay, please. We'll just go inside. Go inside. I understand. Go inside. I'll help you bring the boss. I know. I will help you. Who? Nobody unbox outside. Okay. I know. It's Chinwan. Please. Please. Thank you very much.
Oh my shell. I don't know what you mean, no. Yoruba people wanna tell me what you mean under the comment section. The language just sweet now, speak up. I saw people talk say, tired, baby, take me back to African food. That's why I enter Wosiwosi. I just say make I type on motomape and they deliver. Guess what? Everything you are looking for is available at Wosiwosi. So this is dry periwinkle cocoa. To make better banga soup for my husband, then you have that dry pro. Of course, this better fresh plantains must follow. A lot of people don't know why they always run go Wosiwosi because they are the cheapest and the biggest African market here in the UK. Anywhere you go, you can compare with their prices. It's very affordable. As I cite this fufu for their website now, press her. That kind of fufu when you go eat finish, you wash your hand, all your hand go see the same. See this better gari and better already washed beans. One piece go make your life easy. You know they tell for stress. And guess what? Wosiwosi is on discount right now on their website. Once you buy anything at all above £150, you're going to get 2% discount. And guess what? Once you now use Benyomo as your referral code, you're going to get extra huge 5% discount. Are you running there right now before you hear all that though? But wait though, I hear some people they complain, say they know they see better beef they eat for UK. Have you tried Wosiwosi shame beef? Try it and thank me later.
Honey. Hey, please don't stone me with that. What's your problem?
I'm not saying that you come on my second heart. You know this is only 2 heart. Now I go give first. This one you make buku.
Hey, stop that rubbish. You and who is in this house that you're expecting before? Please. I was just driving in now. Our neighbor just told me that why you are selling your house. I have people who will buy the house if you want to sell the house. I told her, please don't say that rubbish. I'm not selling my house. She showed me our house on the internet, house for sale.
This one, I don't say that this one.
Of course, they are my friends. They spoke to me. Please, did you put our house for sale? Simple question.
You know, you say this room was when they go on, so they never hear, huh? I said yesterday for news.
That what?
They thought they don't increase residential, be permanent stay to 10 years, not be 5 years again.
So how does that one affect you?
My brother, it don't affect you. It don't affect you.
Oh.
5 years, don't they hold for that the man they say go so rich, make it our home. 5 years don't become 10 years. Now so they go increase it before you read that time, they will put up for 15 years.
Please come, let me warn you. Hey, stop that rubbish. Because you don't know anything. If they increase it to 10 years, how does it concern you?
It don't concern you.
You live your life, do what you are doing. You are legal in the country. Which one is, and you have the right to put house for sale. You can't
say it don't concern you. Only so I say not swear now.
Okay. Wait first. You now put the house for sale. Did you discuss with your husband?
I don't need to discuss. I don't say no agree. This is I so like Jackie. I don't agree.
The price you even put for the house, you don't even know how much you bought the house. You don't know how much is renovation. You just put price there 20,000. That you say quick, come and take and go.
I said quick, first to serve.
You see. Let me warn you. Give me that your phone first. Bring that phone, that listing you put. I have to delete it. I want to delete the listing from the group you posted it. Give me that your phone. The way you behave is very funny because the government announced they've not even passed it into law. They are still give me. You don't even know. Are you on student visa? Have you not swapped visa already? So what's your? Kai, house for sale. Who we are leaving the country? You are who is leaving? You've been running from country to country. Hey, please, come on. How many countries have you gone to in your life? You were in Oman. You've lived in Nigeria. Oba market did not favor you. You went to Oman. Saloon work did not favor you. You went to Cyprus. You were making hair from street to street. It did not favor you. Stop that rubbish cry. Okay, you came to UK now. Life is. want to sell house.
Hey, nigga, New York City, we are
New
coming.
York City. New York City.
Nigga.
You got who been to New York City before?
I don't know who's gone to New York City before.
It's holiday time. Me and my wife and my babies are
You're
going
flying
to
to New York City.
America. Nigga, only in America, you know what
Nigga.
they say. Where if teach you, you go there, they'll disgrace you for port of entry. See, if the immigration man asks you, say, hey, what are you doing here? Say,
I said,
nigga.
nigga.
That's all. That's all. He go give you stamp. Then if he asks you, say, how long do you want to stay? Say
I said 5 years. I said forever.
What be your problem? Not be you in England, you won't go there, go start new life again. You say,
Bacarata.
you won't go, Abi, you don't want to go.
Where going?
Why you behave different like this now? If they
sorry.
ask you, say, hey, how long you gonna stay? You say, hey, I don't stay shit in your country.
Oh, shit.
I live in England.
I live in
I
England.
won't come 2 weeks, I go 2 weeks.
No,
You
1
say,
week, 1 week.
1 week. You
They
bring
say
that
holiday
down.
for 2
But the
weeks.
officer you won't come stay.
Yes.
So you let them know you come from England. too.
Yes.
So don't be, I
I
come
said, I'm only
England.
coming for 2 days. I'm going
2
back,
days.
flying back
Guys,
to
it's
England.
holiday time, you guys know. But there's a bad news. Bad news there.
Wiggy.
Let's sit down and tell them.
Yes.
The truth be say, when I let us know where we fit go within
We
England.
did this, brother.
Because this brother now,
Anything for Johnny now.
you
Never.
know if he put body.
You're only stressing yourself.
Not be only down yourself. Grandma is not around. Assuming grandma there.
We only want for a job.
I live at Jackpot, but grandma not there. Now we don't say we born on it.
Visa don't expire for passport. No, we don't use that go anywhere.
I shall get visa. No, never expire, but where we want go? Who won't leave the children for?
Ali Benjamin is okay. But this
This
brother,
brother will say, he drag me. He don't say I want Jack back. Say, what are you saying? You know, I mean, we'll go together.
before you come here, we can reach one place or the other. You don't tire. You're sure that you don't scatter. See, clothes you go wear.
Benjamin is already
You like
asking, where are we
soccer
going
vest.
next week? So, guys, if you live in the UK, you know any holiday destination for family, where families can go within England, anywhere, Scotland,
No far,
Wales.
far place,
No,
no
anywhere
place.
in England, we can. It's okay. Let us know so we can at least take Benjamin out. This
Yeah.
guy don't really know what to be
You
on.
never know what to be
But
on.
Benjamin is already saying it. We have 1 week
We-
holiday
you have
from
to.
next week.
You have
So
to.
let us know. US now wash.
Very much.
I mean, please, we are waiting for comments, so please, anywhere around that we can go for holiday.
that children, that you
Within
know,
the UK,
kids
that
will
kids will
enjoy.
enjoy, yes.
And me say go rest.
Yes,
Because
and my
anywhere,
potential will rest.
anywhere when we say I'll go they carry. Where we go that time when we suffer. Manti.
This guy
When
can't
Benjamin
do all these
small, we
things.
carry Benjamin go Manti.
And AJ
Jesus.
couple vibe has started work. If not, we would have
For carry baby go
left
there.
baby there.
Just suffer, carry and go there. Then do our do come back.
So now, no more this thing. At least in next.
See, what you said? I said not be 1 year
No,
baby.
if mommy come, if we drop, if we jack back. If he has gotten his Schengen visa, because his passport, we have his application for passport next month. If he has gotten his passport, we can go to
Okay,
Schengen.
Benson.
Yeah, Schengen.
Put that
we
baby
use-
phone.
we use
sis.
push,
Okay, was still one of our babies.
So, see you guys. Please, we want to see in the comment section where in
Where in
England
England
or
can we
Scotland
take
or Wales we can
Benjamin
go
to?
for holiday.
Let
Thank
us
you.
know.
When you bathe finish, you never see cloth wear.
I'll go video
You know,
montage, give them more.
which video waiting? You don't wear cloth, you pull on. You wear cloth, you pull on. Please dress up. Let's do what we have to do today. Please, madam. See everywhere. Pick anyone and wear. The gown you wore before was okay. I tell you, say it's okay. You say no.
Don't be waiting and wait for today.
Get special clothes. Get where you go today.
No.
Then pick anyone. Let's wear.
Comfortable for you. Yeah. Don't be saying the clothes not there, but you know soon.
Hi, women, life hard though. Very, very hard. Only I'm waiting for you. I give you 2 minutes. So
Come see this on my other man. Yeah.
it's fine. That one, very beautiful. If you wear, I go fit you. Wear and let's go.
You never even see a very.
Wear and me because I know you. Take wear.
You never see a very beautiful. That is the contribute.
Only wear and let's go.
Go. I'm better go.
See why I don't want just talk put or advice her for cloth matter.
You not go rest.
Now nightgown, just wash. And night wear should still wear up and down. Uniform.
Now what's in our wear?
Yeah, this green is okay.
I know wear. I'm the venture now.
Now see how now. Hi.
Just a smile, they talk.
Fried rice is ready, right? Everything you want, I deliver out. So my thing, you heard of fried rice at work. Have you heard of Italian fried rice before? or Dutch fried rice. That's why my wife. Everything for the rice is ready. When the fried rice wanted to arrange this thing.
Maybe you say fried rice.
What do tomatoes to do for fried rice?
No, that one need to. Not they has to so they always get tomato sauce.
Today I'm not buying rice, so this with my.
You buy butter.
Yeah. Who is your wife you are getting married to?
Your
wife
wife.
in the same market like this? Woman in the same market, you say, woman, I love you. See, the man, your wife never say you market, say, help me go buy, help me go now. You say she not love you. Check.
What's the thing you buy? I'm
Everything
going
correct. I'm not there. I say I go pay for it.
see what thing I dey make for you. You know the same. Yam and the.
I sent it.
Oh yeah.
I take care.
You dey give? Thank you. So who go come arrange this one for free now? You help me.
I mean, you look at first, I'll make something out.
They are all correct. 2 chicken bar. Yep. We know they eat soft chicken again, but after that one, what I make that, the must say, wow.
It was exactly now.
Exactly.
But that one is a different recipe.
And this one, because I need to cook this one to use the water to cook my jollof, my fried rice. Then that one I not cook. I purposely do one yesterday.
Eh?
So they sleep 4 a.m. This brother don't wake up. I sleep won't cut my eye. I don't know what I want to do. Now you carry the boy. I'll go.
You say you go have me.
I'll go drop off of my husband. Go back to my son room.
I
Go
can't
sleep.
So you won't come cry too much. I'll go bring her back to you.
Oh boy, you see that small time. So when you call her small time, I close my eyes. I can't sleep well. So I don't go. Now they wake up.
You can't find Benjamin for night.
They find out. That's what they do me. Oh,
I
he was not crying, Sha. He was not crying.
No.
Me they sleep. If they use finger, if they fight with duvet, he go drag the duvet. Won't use piece soak the duvet finish. He drag on.
If you mount near your face, you're finished.
Hey, hi. As in, sleep they worry me. Sleep they suit him. I play music for her. Music not help yesterday night. He not great sleep and he was not crying. It was when I would tell her at daytime I would day. No, but I know it's not daytime. I got sleep.
Benjamin Bona. I try to bring her near Benjamin too to find Benjamin trouble. Benjamin is outside.
I'll carry her go give my husband. Oh. Jesus, I beg.
You come into our room every night, okay?
Eh? Because of her now, no, see the holiday is coming. We are not even thinking of going for vacation. But how you want to do and pass? Eh? We're not thinking of going for vacation. Sir.
But don't worry. Why you
Sir.
You don't the true leg, correct?
You don't the true leg. You could like
You like don't hold the weight.
Da.
Man, children.
Now they wake up. 11
At this
o'clock.
stage, this is the sweetest part. When it was 1 month, I don't really send because that time I don't send you too. But now, wow.
Oh, you know the touch of your beard, they like her.
You carry near your face, you will touch your face. They do innocent things. So you say, oh God. Children are lovely.
Good morning.
You still in Nigeria now for born at 10.
Now you go born 10.